Hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. I just wanted to make a quick little video to let y'all know that I am alive and kicking. How's this thing working? It's back. Something's backwards. I don't know. Whatever. But anyway, so I put up a little short today, and I got a comment or two on it. And one of my comments was somebody saying they were glad that I was still alive. So Cheryl said it might be a good idea for me to just pop a video up real quick. 2024 was not a good year. We had many hospital trips. I had several procedures. Cheryl had to have pretty much emergency gallbladder surgery. Then she got an infection and spent 14 days in the hospital with bags and bags and bags of, I don't know, 50 something bags of antibiotics she had to have in the 2 weeks, and all kind of stuff. Got sick. She ended up with asthma, and she's got, what is that called? COPD. Anyway, I had 4 procedures done on my back. Supposed to get another one done in another month or so, which I don't know that I'm going to do. But yes, we are here. We had everything happen. We had 3 deaths in the family, one from 5 days old to 77 years old. So like I said, it's just been 2024 was not a good year for us. And even our fur baby passed. She had to have actually, I had Cheryl in the hospital when she had that infection. I had Little scheduled for surgery because she had to have a mass removed on one of her teats, I guess you'd call them. And she went through everything fine and dandy and was great and came home within a day. I was having to almost tie her up to keep her from jumping off the couch and everything. She had an incision that was half the length of her little belly, and within 24 hours she was running and jumping like nothing happened. And then finally anyway, Cheryl was in the hospital. Little was getting the surgery done, which I was, and I was running all over the place. But anyhow, she was recovering great, and July 12th, the same day that my mother passed away, she just started acting weird and was panting, and it was naturally, 2 o'clock in the morning, so I ended up having to rush her to Blue Ridge, which is about 55 miles from us. And there was just nothing that could be done. I mean, when we got there, it was a great people, great vet, great people. They were waiting outside for me. I mean, when I got there, it was probably 3:30 in the morning, and they ran and took her from my arms, run and put her right in the oxygen chamber and started working on her. Within 5 minutes, they had me in the back with her. And I mean, the vet did everything they could do. I mean, I can't compliment them enough for how they took care of her and tried. And I mean, she fought and they fought. So, but it was just time. Her heart exploded and her lungs exploded. Why? I mean, I guess it's a thing with little dogs like her that they have genetic problems that can cause that to happen. But anyway, like I said, it's just been a year. I am very, very limited on what I can do right now and how long I can stand up. If I go to the grocery store for even a little while, I'm done for the day. I mean, just coming home and I'm done. I can't do anything else. So as far as standing outside and working outside and all that, it's just not happening right now. And it's actually too cold anyway right now. But I do have a couple projects that are in the works. One of them's been in the works for a year. I haven't forgot about any of you. I was in contact with another one that I have scheduled that I've had almost 2 years now. But it's just how it is. I mean, you can only do what you can do. As of right now, I'm not really taking any kind of refines or jobs because there's no way that I can tell anybody, when it'll get done. But anyhow, I'm not going to bend your ear too long. I just wanted everybody to, know that I am alive, because time passes so fast. I mean, I didn't even realize it's been, coming up on a year that I haven't even put a video out. And I did put out that little short video. Go watch it. I apologize if you're a Democrat. It's not meant to offend or insult you personally. It's meant to offend and insult the people that are in it. Because I don't know about you, but, 4 years ago, I wasn't paying the prices that I'm paying now. And things have already changed. I mean, in just the past 2 weeks. My car, I have to use premium gas in my car. I can't use any other gas but premium. Today, I paid $3 a gallon for premium gas. It cost me less than $50 to fill my car. That hasn't happened in 4 years. So, I mean, I'm seeing little things change very fast already. And I know there's people that don't like Trump, but I'm sorry, I do. I think he's doing a good job, and you're going to reap the rewards too, even if you're somebody that doesn't like him. It's not just me that's going to be happy. You're going to be happy. When you're not paying as much for gas and you're not paying as much for food. Everybody said, everything he's done, everybody said, oh, it ain't going to work. This is going to do that. This is going to do that. This government's going to do that. And everybody's folding immediately. I mean, I don't think anybody's said no to him for longer than half a day and then folded. So apparently, hey, he's going to make America great again. And that's all I care about. So, whether you like him, don't like him, I know he's gruff, I know he's this, but he's getting the job done, so I don't care. It's irrelevant to me. And this last bunch, I'm on a limited income. I don't have, I'm not one of these movie stars that can piss and moan about him, because I've got millions and millions and millions of dollars in the bank, so it doesn't matter if I pay $35 for a steak that I got to cook at home. But anyway, enough about politics. I just wanted to, let you all know that I am alive. I am going to try and finish that one as soon as I can, the one that I've been working on in the last video. I mean, all I basically have to do is filter it one more time and drop the gold. But once again, like I said, just getting out there and doing it, I mean, everything's a mess. The lab is a mess because it's just been neglected for so long. So I have other chores that I got to do before I can even do that. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to quit bending your ear. I am alive. Cheryl's alive. A few of us in our family aren't alive anymore. But I'm going to just leave it at that, guys. I will really attempt. Maybe I'll make a few shorts and stuff like that from time to time. And it could be about anything. It could be about making wine. Could be about, tinkering with a computer. Could be about anything, just whatever. And I will get on these last 2 refines just as soon as I'm able to stay on my feet long enough to do something. So everybody out there, take care, stay safe, and hopefully it's not a year before we see you in the next video.